For you to create PST file in Outlook, the first thing you need to know is that you need to have the Outlook desktop application. That's what allows you to create that. So I have it here. Let's now launch it. So I'll click on Start, click here and search for Outlook. So I will click on it for it to open. So once the Outlook opens, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. Now let's begin the other steps. Take your cursor to the settings, which is at the top right, and click on it. Here, you are provided with some options, your email address, and any other email address you have added to the Outlook. Okay. Now you are on the account. By default, once you're here, click on Files. Once you click on Files, you will see an interface that looks like this. Okay, this is one I created before. It said it failed to load. There is no problem. So let's create a new one. The next step you need to take is to click on Export. On this page, you will see Show Export History for all accounts. So if you have 2 accounts added in the Outlook, you can click on the drop down and select it, which is this in this case. Then the next step is to click on Get Started. Then select the folder or the item you want to export. So I have different folders here. So let's say I want to export the contacts I have on my Outlook. I'll click on these contacts. So once what you want to export is selected, click on Next. Then you'll be taken to this page for you to do some customizations. How do you want to handle duplicate items? Skip, boot, and replace. Likewise this section. But I want to keep it the way it is by default. Okay, then click on Next. So here, it says you should choose a destination. That means a folder in your PC where you want it to be saved. So I'll click on Choose File. So it's a folder we need here. Maybe you have a unique folder, maybe a desktop. You want it to be on the desktop. Okay, you can click on Desktop or Downloads or Document. It's okay. Anywhere you choose to, anywhere you want it to be, just choose that particular folder. Then file name. This Outlook is placed here, my email address with Outlook attached to it, but I don't want it. So let's say contacts, okay? Or let's say Outlook contacts, okay? So after giving it the name, the file type is going to be Outlook data file, which is okay. The next step is to click on OK. So here it wants you to type in password, all right, because it's an important file, so you need to secure it. So let me type my password, then repeat the password here, then click on OK. So it requests for password again, Outlook data file password. You can still use the same thing so that you don't get confused. Then after that, click on OK. So the next step is to click on Export. And this file, the Outlook data file we created now, has been exported. Okay, so let's go and check on the desktop of our PC to see if it is there. And look at it, Outlook contacts. So it is here. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Thank you and see you some other time.